people who make it their business to go and cut water lines, to create businesses for themselves so that they can cut water in trucks and tanks to our people. Now, that is the criminality that has now entered the water space. And this is what we must collectively talk about here and find ways of bringing that to an end. That should end is a must. We must bring that to an end. And suddenly there are all these very important business people who drive around in fancy cars, but who have water trucking businesses, when water should be transported through pipes. No, what they do, they get their henchmen to go and cut the water lines.